Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a bungalow located only a few short moments away from the beaches at Tankerton. Now this property of course is a modern bungalow, giving you that wonderful modern aesthetic finish and that really nicely tucked away private location. Now we've already seen from the front you've got that lovely big driveway leading us up to the entrance of the property, and coming straight through into the entrance hall you'll see that we've got a really light and bright and airy finish here. Now coming through, firstly we're going to go and take a look at one of the bedrooms. Now the hallway space again really nice and light and bright and airy. That is the feel that this property is going for. Really nice and modern, convenient, easy to work with, large open spaces. It's absolutely perfect for it. So coming straight through into the second bedroom here, you can see really nice sized double room, plenty of space in here for the double bed and plenty of space for the storage. Now you've got a wonderful amount of light coming through here from the window there at the front, and again you've got a really nice amount of space in here. Nice easy to use square room. Now coming back out into the entrance hallway space, we're going to go through and take a look at the modern wet room. Now I say wet room, it does of course have the shower on the left hand side nicely tucked away. Of course you've got the loose and the sink unit there as well, but again you've got that beautiful modern finish here. So the emphasis on this property really is modern convenience. Really isn't much here for you to do whatsoever but move straight in, relax and enjoy. Now let's go through and take a look at the main bedroom number one here with the property. First thing you'll notice is you've got the lovely set of doors leading us out onto the rear garden. The garden here is absolutely fantastic. Of course, really nice tall ceilings here. That is a really wonderful thing with this property, is you've got such a unique architectural design with the property, giving you something that is just not able to be found elsewhere. Little view there over the rear garden that we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on, but let's go through and take a look at this modern ensuite bathroom before going into the main reception room here at the property and then into the rear garden. So here we are in the main reception space for the property. Really nice amounts of room in here. Wonderful modern kitchen, but of course you've got that beautiful open plan feeling here with the doors just leading us out there into the rear garden, so you can really bring the outside inside. Of course that is the emphasis on this property. Wonderful modern convenient aesthetic finish with an open plan feel to it. Wonderful amounts of light flooding through. And into the rear garden now you can see that we've got a beautiful amount of space. Really nice big driveway to the front again that we saw right at the beginning of the tour, but of course there's not many opportunities out there to find a property that gives you this modern finish within such a fantastic location, only a few moments away from the beach and the seafront, and of course giving you this wonderful amount of rear garden space. So just looking back at the property here, you can of course again see all of those entry points into the property again with the lounge and the bedroom. Now I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at Wavecrest 18A Princess Close with us today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us in the office, so I really would encourage you to give us a call and ask us any questions that you may have. Also, don't forget, if you do like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, you're more than welcome to give us a call in the office and ask to book your own free valuation.